In today's world, where we're constantly bombarded with advertisements for new gadgets and gizmos, it can be overwhelming to decide which tools are really worth investing in. That's why in today's video, we'll show you the 10 cool tools that are really worth buying. Let's start with the Nypex DP50, an ultimate cutting tool for plumbers and construction professionals who demand precision and versatility. With its reversible, high-quality ball-bearing steel blade and easy-to-replace design, this tool cuts and chamfers all common European drain pipes with diameters of 32, 40, and 50 millimeters. And that's not all. The DP50 also slices through high-temperature and other plastic pipes with wall thicknesses up to 2.4 millimeters, providing a clean cut without the need for readjustment or deburring. It provides a clear view of the cutting point, a spring-loaded blade, and the ability to cut lengths as small as 10 millimeters. The Nypex DP50 is the ultimate cutting tool that saves you time and effort on the job site. This tool might look a bit confusing, but TRELAWNY SPTSF is a specialized surface preparation tool. It's designed for quick removal of heavy scale, coatings, and rust. One of the standout features of this tool is its highly effective hammers, which make it ideal for heavy-duty surface preparation tasks. They are also capable of removing heavy coatings and rust quickly, making it a perfect tool for any surface preparation job. This tool also comes equipped with a variety of features that make it ideal for a wide range of applications. These tools are lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for reaching behind structures and up against bulkheads. Aside from that, the SPTSF is great for preparing surfaces before blasting, which is an important step in maintaining oil platforms. Are you looking for a professional grade level that's compact, portable, and always accurate? You better have a look at this Stabilo Pocket Pro magnetic. With its robust aluminum housing, rare earth magnets, and precision vial, this mini-sized level is perfect for use on all steel structures, even rounded surfaces. And with its compact size and easy-to-use design, it's the ideal tool for those hard-to-reach areas where larger levels just won't cut it. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Get the Stabilo Pocket Pro magnetic today. If you're a DIYer who seeks the best utility knife to handle multiple jobs, the Alpha SK16 is here to save the day. With a quick-change replaceable blade head and limited blade exposure, this knife is designed to keep you safe and prevent any embarrassing cuts or lacerations. Plus, the fiberglass, reinforced handle means it's built to last, so you won't have to replace it anytime soon. And when it comes to cutting power, the SK16 doesn't mess around. Its premium stainless steel blade can cut through just about anything, while the flow-through cutting channel keeps things moving smoothly. And with a metal tip that's perfect for splitting tape, you'll find yourself reaching for this handy tool time and time again. Want to make sure your deck looks professional and polished? The Deck Pro is a versatile tool that ensures the correct distance between your decking boards, no matter what size they are. With an adjustable design that works with common board sizes ranging from 85 to 150 millimeters, the Deck Pro takes the guesswork out of installation. But the real magic happens with the Deck Pro's cylindrical head. This unique feature ensures a stable, non-wobbling installation, giving you a flawless finish that will make your deck the envy of the neighborhood. Plus, with its quick startup design, you can work at difficult mounting angles with ease, And if you ever find yourself in a pinch, the Deck Pro even allows you to mount screws without the tool. How's that for versatility? Next tool on the list is Rapid Pro R19. It's a heavy-duty hammer tacker that can keep up with your wildest fastening dreams. This lightweight and easy-to-handle tool is perfect for fastening everything from labels and posters to textiles, plastic wrap, and even insulation material. And with its compatibility for fine wire staple number 13, 4 to 6 millimeter, this little powerhouse can handle even the most intensive jobs you throw its way. But what really sets the R19 hammer tracker apart from the rest is its quick and easy bottom loading, which means you can spend more time getting the job done and less time reloading. And with a non-slip, ergonomic handle, you'll experience higher operational efficiency and less hand fatigue, so you can hammer away all day long without feeling the burn. This handy-dandy device is perfect for those who love a bit of one-handed action. The Connect Cable Tie Tensioning Tool can handle nylon cable ties from 2.5 to 4.8 millimeters wide. So whether you're dealing with those pesky headphone cords or industrial-strength cables, this tool has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The tension adjustment wheel with indicator will have you feeling like a pro in no time. You'll be able to achieve consistent tension across all your cable ties and prevent any accidental cable decapitations. And the best part? The automatic cutoff function. No more searching for scissors or accidentally snipping off the wrong end of the cable tie. This tool does the hard work for you, leaving you more time to relax and enjoy life. The Matco LTR V44 is a heavy-duty professional hand riveter designed for continuous and repetitive usage. It's constructed with a strong, sturdy, and lightweight aluminum die-cast body and handle, which makes it easy to handle and reduces operator fatigue during use. Additionally, the heavy-gauge steel springs provide increased durability and longevity. The parts that come in contact with the rivet are heat-treated for increased wear resistance, which ensures the tool's longevity even with frequent use. The riveter includes 3 nose pieces and a wrench, which enables you to use it for riveting aluminum, steel, and stainless steel pop-blind rivets. It's easy to use, and its heat-treated parts increase its wear resistance, making it a long-lasting tool for riveting various materials. This tool you see here, it's not your average hand tool. The Tite Reach is a game changer that saves you time and spares your knuckles from the agony of working in tight spaces. It works like a blessing when you're trying to tighten a bolt or a nut in a confined area. This innovative tool extends your ratchet, allowing you to reach those pesky fasteners with ease, giving you the confidence to tackle any job like a pro. It's not only designed to save your knuckles, but it's also built to last. It's made of high-quality materials that can withstand heavy usage without wearing out quickly. The tool's unique shape ensures that you can work with full confidence, providing the precision and control needed to get the job done correctly. Let's wrap up today's list with the Wonder Pen 2. This tool is packed with advanced features that make it intelligent, user-friendly, and efficient. One of the most impressive features of the Wonder Pen 2 is its auto-check system, which ensures correct operation and prevents damage to the vehicle during repairs. Plus, with its user-friendly digital panel, you can easily access all essential information, making repairs a breeze. Plus, the Wonder Pen 2 also offers both automatic and manual modes, giving you complete control over the repair process. And with its activation and correct operation signals, you can easily follow the tool's guidance throughout the repair. But wait, there's more. This tool has push-button control for glass remover, so you can work more efficiently and accurately. And when you need to work hands-free, the foot control feature comes in handy. All right, that was the list of the 10 cool tools that are really worth buying. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.